Imagine this is your unit sitting in a nice campground. This is a beautiful 2026 Rockwood Signature fifth wheel 374DBH. It is a beautiful, nice piece. It's a masterpiece. And I want to show you the outside, why it's a masterpiece, and then we'll go inside and go in detail. As you see on the Rockwood Signature, it is a brand new cap for 2026 with LED light in the front and both sides. And then you have the nice oval LED light. So you could see when you back up your truck and you try to hitch up this in the middle of the night. High profile, nice 8 foot wide. Coming on the side, we have a two big power awning. As a matter of fact, those two power awning cover whole side of this fifth wheel. You look at this one in the front and then one in the back. So all your side is shaded with those two power awning with the power LED light. Now, this unit is a 6 aluminum walls construction. That's what separates Rockwood from the other brands. So the roof is aluminum, the front is aluminum, the back, the two walls, passenger and drivers, and the floor, it's all 6 wall aluminum vacuum bonded walls. Now, 4-step to get in, and then you have the nice Kurt suspensions with the rubber mount. I don't know if the cameraman could show you. This is the rubber mounts right there and give you better. This is a red caliber for a reason, because it has ABS electric brake. As you see, there's the legs behind the axle. What does that mean? This is auto leveling system. 2 legs in the front, 2 legs in the back. Push a button and level itself. Now, Rockwood Signature, they choose to give you 10-gallon hot water heater, electric and propane. That's the advantage of this hot water heater, because I could run it off electricity as well propane. The other hot water heater is only propane, so this is an advantage for you. Now, there's also outdoor kitchen. What does it mean outdoor kitchen? You have the 18-inch Suburban grill on a nice arm, and it's far away from your unit, so there's no grease gonna be coming on the unit. You have a nice shelf here for putting your outdoor cooking dishes. You have a fridge, run up 110 for your beer, waters, sodas, whatever you want to drink. Storage-wise, they give you one on this side, electric magnet, and then you have a nice, beautiful storage over here, pass-through storage, and you could see the big water filtration system with aluminum frame construction. I love this rough materials. And then there's also 110 and coax. And this one, you decide to put a TV, you set it here and plug it in there. So that's from this side. Now let's go in the back, because as I said, I'm gonna show you everything. Look how clean in the back. They give you the ladder, that's a plus. Some of them, they don't. So come with the ladder. Outside shower, hot and cold. You have a receivers, so you could tow up to 3,000 pounds. 2-inch receiver hitch in the back. License plate, LED light, all over, it's all LED. And then you have this big storage. Now, why they give you this door? Because I got some people, they say, I want to load my stuff for my kids, my storage. So it's all big storage, and you could access it from inside as well, outside. Now, one thing about the Rockwood fifth wheel, nobody noticed, but I'm gonna point to you, it comes with all these windows are frameless. This is a frameless window, so you don't have to caulking them like the frame window. Slide topper in every slide out. They utilize every storage behind the cabinet. They give you a big one over here with magnets. There's another one over here. So they don't waste. This is the U-shaped dinette. Now I want to point one thing, people that don't see. Look, even the structure of the frame of the storage in the beds, dinettes, the bunks, it's all aluminum. That's the reason why you're getting a bigger fifth wheel, but the weight is less. Now, coming over here's docking light on, you see it? This is a new for 26. Now they get it right. How many times you get to a campground at night, you can't see how to hook up the sewer hose because it's too dark. Or you have to yell to the wife, give me my cell phone, I want to use the flashlight on my cell phone. Or you have to stock up a flashlight. Well, in this unit you don't need, because there's a docking light. You just bring this light and you could see where you hook up your black and your gray, and here's the handle of the valve right there, and that's where you hook up. It comes with the spare tires, and the spare tire is located underneath the unit. As everybody asks me, where's my spare tires? It's right there underneath. This is the other side of the compartments, and I like what they did. There should be a light here. Yes, it does. Now, I'm gonna point two things. People, maybe they don't see them, but it's a big deal. Nice auto leveling on the side. Why they do it this way? Because how many times you could stand up here, you wanna see how you hitch up your truck, and you wanna see how it's level while you're standing. So they put it here outside, inside the compartment. So first, it's protected from the outside elements, as well you could see what you're doing. So if I decide, okay, the front, I wanna go front up, and then you could see, I could go up and down. I could control that. Now, nobody noticed about this vents. What's this vent? This vent allow it to tell you it's enclosed underbelly and heated. That's mean even my stuff, my soda, my stuff I put here, when I turn my heaters, there's a heat shooting in my basement, so they don't freeze up when I go to extreme cold weather. Also, one docking station, that's for your outside sprayers, hot and cold, cable, satellite, city water connection, sandy flush, all of there, and there's a 110 plug right there. And then to close it, all you do have to do this. And then again, they come with a 7-gallon propane tank on each side, one on this side, one on the other side. And then you have the docking light, additional solar panels if you want, and this is the compartment where you put your batteries there. Now, I want to be clear because some confusion I had from customers. Rockwood Signature fifth wheel does not come with inverter. It comes with inverter prep only. So it has 400 watt solar panel on the roof, has 2 ACs, but no inverter. I just want to be upfront, clear. Now let's go inside because I'm really anxious to see the 374DBH. Folks, I'm inside the beautiful 374DBH Rockwood Signature fifth wheel, the brand new 26. On the 26, they did a lot of changes, which makes sense. First, as you see, they added a chrome molding in the cabinet. We're gonna point to that to you. So from inside, as soon as you walk in from the entry door, you have 2 tier seating, and those are power, so you have to be in 110 plugged in. So this is a tier seating with a cup holders. You have a beautiful U-shaped dinette, so you could sit a big family. And then this table go inside, outside, and fold down to a bed. Nice lighting fixture for 26 with a nice two-tone wood. You know, the dark here, the light here, so you have two-tone woods. Solid wood valances on the windows, so this is solid wood valances, so you don't see screws anymore with the solid valance. You have a beautiful big table on both sides, this side as well that side. Right here you see self-closing. So the quality in Rockwood is very known for good quality, no issues. This is how I got it from the factory. I don't have to build this unit to sell it to you. Now, we support it with a 2-side door refrigerator, open both ways. So this way the kids, when they come in from the bunk, they grab the drinks. Also, you could do it either or. And then you have a nice freezer, big pantry, place for trash can. Now, this is a solid wood, not a paper. So ladies, you have your pantry. Don't worry. Big trash can, and then place here you could put the bags for the trash can, and it's easy to access from the kitchen. Now, when you go to kitchens, so we went from the theater seating to the U-shaped dinette to the pantry, the fridge. Now we're gonna go to the kitchen. I mean, the kitchen speaks for itself. Look the amount of storage you're getting on that kitchen. It's from here all the way to the entry doors, all counter space. Plus, if you need more counter space, voila, they give you extension countertop. You have big country sink, under mount sink, as you see right here, and that's a big one. As well, you have nice solid cabinet with chrome molding on the cabinet, as you see. We tell you solid wood. The two-tone, and by the way, this is a solid service. This is not a Formica. There's a plug up and down for 110 and USB. 30-inch microwave, the big one. Residential look 3-burner range with a big oven and hold turkey. Cooking pan trays. Again, more storage. A lot of tinsel door, brush scrub, tinsel doors. Even the tinsel, look the nice finishing they divided for you. Again, more doors, more cabinet. I mean, I don't know what you want to put, but there's more and more. And people, they just said, stop opening all these cabinet doors. But I want to emphasize to you how big the amount of storage. You have a nice smart 50-inch TV on a swing arm. You just pull this string and then you pull it out and you play with it the way you want it. With the modern fireplace, huge counter shelf, as you see. It has indoor, outdoor Bluetooth speakers. This is the subwoofers, big to make loud music. You have 2 AC ducted, big AC, one with them with the heat pump in the front. So you have AC here and AC in the bedroom. It isn't a controller. You have all this cabinet above and with LED light. You see the LED light strip inside the cabinet to light up this cabinet, and you could see USB plug, so in case if you're sitting here, so you can put your cell phone charge. 110 for laptop. This is electric theater seating or electric recliners. More windows. So here's what I want to start is I want to start the back because everybody wanting to see what's the 374. So from the back, this is what the kids love. And this is what you could tell your kids, go to your room. So I'm going to my room. So you have a nice solid pocket door. 3 big, I mean, look how big it is. Please, cameraman, get in the ladder. Please, the cameraman, get in the ladder. Show them how big and wide this bunk with the 110 plug, USB plug. They have vents in the top, and then you have another bunk here. So if you have a little kids, you worry about he's gonna move at night, let them sleep this side. Even if they sleep on those sides. So I could sleep 2 in the top, 1 here, that's 3, 2 at the bottom. I could sleep 5 kids in those 2 bunks. And they're so massive. Plus, we talk about the storage, accessible from inside outside. They give you the ladder, that's a plus. Some brands, they don't. I like this one. And then if you press down, I could trim it. So press and hold to dim light or light it up. And then the kids love this area. Why? You know why they love this, kids? I wish I go back to my shelter. I could lay down here and I watch a beautiful 32-inch TV, smart TV. So I'm laying down in my bunk watching movies. It's a heaven. That's what the kids love. Watch movie from their bunk room. Now, huge closets, but at the same time, you could do multi-functions. You have prep for washer dryer, combo washer dryer. So washer dryer's options. I could add it to you here if you want to, or you say, now I don't care. I'd like to have it more storage for my kids. And you can. Then doors for socks, underwears. I mean, they're deep. So all this is storage with a nice LED light. And then the kids, they decide to go to the room, they can, and you put them back in the room. And then this unit comes with multiple TVs. So you have the big 50-inch TV for the living area. You have 32-inch TV in the bunk area. And then we're going to go to the bedroom. Let's go to the bedroom. I love these doors and the colors. Man, they hire a special interior designer. Could he come to my house and do that? So back, this is the parents' heaven. They have their own AC. Another advantage on the 26 model, they come with 80-inch ceiling height, so there's no issue. A tall person walk here all the way to the end of the bed, no issue. King size bed, not a queen, with a USB plug on both sides, and then you have aluminum framed bed base with a big storage. I mean, oh my God, look, show them this mattress, please show them just the mattress. This is not a cheapy mattress like some other brands. You don't have to go spend money when you buy this fifth roll on a mattress. And the mattress is so big and heavy, I have to get my 2 hands just to lift up the bed because it's a nice quality mattress. You could see the frame of the bed is aluminum. Again, it's a king size. Please, please do not let this king size stopping you if you want a queen. I can cut this bed and make a queen bed if you want it. Come king, because majority of my customer, they want king size bed. But if you want queen, it's no big deal. I could convert it to queen. The base stay, I'm just shorting the up. So this is advantage for you, king size bed. Now notice, customer, please notice, no vents in the floor. Why? Because they put the heater vents in the cabinet, as you see right here, so make it more efficient. And then you have another big closets with more doors, TV, hanging for pajamas, towels, whatever you want to call it. Place for CPAP machine on both sides with 110 and USB plug. Amazing quality, superior. And everybody, if you don't believe me, get on the forums and see what people they talk about Rockwood. They're all plus. Linen closets, nice medicine cabinet. It's not a plastic, it's solid wood with LED light behind it. Max air 10 speed on the roof. Nice LED residential look. Barn door. Fantastic fan with a remote control. Solid service countertop in the bathroom. Porcelain toilet with a plenty room for knees. More storage. And I love the shower. You know why I love the shower? Because it's one piece shower. I don't have 2 pieces. Look here, no 2 pieces. And it has the modern look drain and a glass door. Wow. A shower head, big skylight. It's roomy. They did it right. 1 piece fiberglass shower. That's a big deal. And you have linen closet, so you don't have to yell and screaming, where's my towels when you go to shower. She will tell you it's in the linen closet. And then nice thing I like about it, flush mount, dimmable lights, and all my controller in a nice finishing cabinet. So it's make it look nice. This is your solar controllers. I mean, it is a nice family oriented fifth wheel. All you have to do, just come in and bring your truck, and I'll make it easy for you, and you go home camping with it. Come in.